How to fix Minecraft not working in Windows 11. To fix Minecraft not working in Windows 11, try 1. Run Minecraft as an administrator. 2. Update Minecraft. 3. Reset the Minecraft game app. 4. Update Java. Five. Update your graphics card's driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 6. Disable third-party antivirus software. 7. Run Minecraft launcher in Windows Clean Boot. 8. Remove, using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, then reinstall Minecraft.